YouTube family, what is going on with y'all, man? Welcome back to yet another video. It is your boy Jay, the Sneaker Guy. I'm coming at y'all today with a quick discussion video, slight unboxing, slight vlogging. We just gonna mumble them all up and give y'all some content, man. But today I thought about this video because of some certain things that I got notifications of earlier in the day. A lot of restocks happening, and I just wanted to talk to y'all about the current, you know what I'm saying, state of the sneaker game. And it's actually not in a bad place, man. I'm making this video to let y'all know, hey, thank it while it's here because it won't last long, and take advantage of it while it's here because I don't think this time will last long. And what I mean by this time, y'all gotta wait to see about that. But before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, hit that subscribe button. We need y'all to stick around so you can get informative information like this. You can see detailed looks of early kicks, legit kicks. You can see on feet. You can see all that good stuff over here, man. So stick around, join the fam. You are in the right place. And before you do that in advance, appreciate you. Welcome to the family. I ain't welcome y'all to the family in a minute, man. But with that being said, welcome to everybody who has just joined the fam, and big shout out to all the OGs as always, man. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay. Give this video a like just for, like I said, the daily content. If y'all want me to keep it coming, y'all just keep hitting that like button. Y'all have been going crazy. Y'all have been going crazy, man. So 1,000 or more likes, I'm pleased, man. I truly appreciate y'all. But other than that, man, things to talk about today, like I said, man, bang! This isn't a restock, but I do have a package. While I'm talking about these restocks, earlier today, I was chilling. I got a notification on my phone, and it said, Jordan 1, hold on. Yeah, let me grab this. Bang! Jordan 1 taxi under retail. So I did get a notification earlier saying that the Air Jordan 1 taxi was under retail, and I was like, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way that these taxis are. Is it me, or has these Nike boxes been harder to open up lately? Just a side note. But anyways, I was like, ain't no way that the Jordan 1 taxis are going below retail. And little did I know, it's a website. Well, I actually got the link from Soul Links. They tweeted it out and said that they were going below retail. And the name of the place was like WSS or something like that. I have never heard of that place before. I've never shopped with them, but I know if Soul Links retweets it or tweets it out, it's legit, you know. So I didn't question it. I clicked on it, and little did I know, like, $129, and I was just shocked. And yes, that's in men's sizes. Like, that's pretty much cheaper than the grade school pairs, man. So $129 is what they were listed for, and I was shocked by that. Real quick, we'll get back to that, but I just want to show y'all what your boy did pick up. Bang! I do have a shoe back here because if you guys remember, I picked up those, or I said I was gonna pick them up. I don't know if I followed up and told y'all I got them, but got them, bro. I'm not sleeping on them. But what happened was they had those at my local Hibbett Sports. So I bought a pair of 13s. If you guys remember, I bought a pair of 13s from Hibbett Sports. What I ended up doing is I took this pair, the old pair, back to Hibbett Sports, and I swapped it out for this shoe, which I paid $170 for. Crazy. I did an even swap for that Jordan 13, and those retail for $210. So I didn't pay no money, got those, did an even swap, and I purchased this one off the Nike Sneakers app because if y'all follow the channel, I told y'all I did have a lot of money in gift cards for Christmas, so purchased this with a gift card, man. So I came out even. $170 for those LeBrons, which did retail at $210. Fire. Bang! Y'all sleep on them. But got these for $170 and got these for free gift cards. Christmas present, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all these real quick, and this will lead into today's sponsors. Bang! Right there, man. More talk on this video. Like I said, I just wanted to bring up a discussion of all the shoes that are currently sitting right now, man. There's quite a few shoes sitting. Yeah, I went to my local Hibbett Sports. I seen Cardinals sitting. I didn't see these sitting, but it might be because that in particular store didn't get them. I doubt they sold out because these are widely available at almost every store that had them originally. But yeah, man, these tough. Bang! Just bad timing though. But the Air Jordan 13, UNC's, University Blues, whatever they want to call them, got some glue stains or something, some paper, something on my shoe, y'all. But we got it off. But anyways, man, tough shoe. Like I said, this beautiful shoe right here brings us into the sponsor of today's video, which is Bang Outrank brand, man. So I know you see the kicks, I know you see the fit, man. This is a paired up, you know, collection from Outrank. This is the Air Jordan 13 UNC collection. As you can barely see the back right there. Check that out. Dope. It goes crazy dopely with the Air Jordan 13 UNC's. This collection has sold out as far as the upper echelon, but they do have other items that go perfect with the Air Jordan 13 over on their website. So head over to Instagram, give them a follow over on Instagram, head to their website and check out the items on their website, because they have a lot of dope gear to go with these shoes. And like I said, man, look, they get you fitted right, man, like the perfect spot on colors to match with those kicks. They do have up and coming kicks and fits and all that stuff. Let me give y'all a sneak peek. Bang! So we do have an upcoming shoe from Jordan Brand right here. We don't know when they're gonna release, but they already have gear to match it, man. So let me unfold it so y'all can get a good look. But this is for the Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, as you can see. Outrank right there. See that right there on the bottom. Fire match goes with those Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex. So they do already have gear for up and coming shoes, so you can get your gear while you're waiting on your shoes. You have it ready. As soon as they come in, you throw on a whole entire fit, man. But Outrank brand, definitely a dope clothing brand. And they are sold in retail stores, so do not think that they're a small time company. They're a pretty big company. They have a lot of dopeness. Do not sleep on them. But I did have to get these. Like I could have just swapped them out and not purchased these, but I actually think that this is a nice shoe, so I ended up wanting to get them back, ended up buying them. So I do have them here, as you can see. So yeah, definitely a dope pair of shoes in my opinion. I didn't even do an on feet review to them, but I still might do it, man. Throw on the same fit, go outside, give y'all some nice on feet shots of them, and you know, call it a day, man. But look forward to that. I still might do that. And yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and dive into more what this video is about. So yes, as I told y'all, there's a lot of shoes, well, sitting right now. I was gonna say on sale, and I kind of want to use the on sale word like delicate, because it's getting towards tax season and we know how it goes. Nothing is safe during tax season. So what I predict happening is a lot of these shoes that are sitting right now, I don't think they're gonna mark them down just yet. I think they're gonna kind of wait it out till that tax money starts flowing around, and then those are all gonna get swept up. But that is what I meant by this time won't last for long, because in different places all around, you know, the US and stuff, there's a lot of shoes sitting. Depending on where you are, you might find gems, you might find what people call trash, you know what I'm saying? So it just depends on your location, but there's a lot of shoes sitting right now. Of course, we still got the Air Jordan 11 Low IEs, decent shoe, not bad at all. We have those still sitting. I was shocked to see the Air Jordan 6 Red Oreo sitting, but that's just another shoe that's actually being slept on because of everything that's drowning that shoe. Or maybe it's not slept on, maybe people just don't like it, you know what I'm saying? But in my opinion, I think that that's a solid shoe. It's a clean shoe. You cannot go wrong with that shoe. Very plain, all white, red. You can throw it on with almost anything. So you know, decent shoe. Of course, you still have the Air Jordan 14 Low Ginger sitting. I'm not surprised, but I am surprised because that shoe released, what, 2 months ago? You know, and it's still available. That's a Jordan 14. That's a OG silhouette. You know what I'm saying? It's not no odd number Jordan, no crazy number Jordan. It's a 14. You know, we know how people feel about 14s, but 14s eventually sell. You don't normally see them sitting around like that. Although that might be a restock, still, it's just they're sitting, you know. So that's another shoe. And I've seen Cardinals. We have Cardinals plenty. Look, Cardinals are everywhere. Cardinals are everywhere. Arguably one of the dopest Air Jordan 7s to release of last year, man. You can, you know, have your fun at it going back and forth with someone, but definitely a dope shoe that shouldn't be slept on. And there's tons and tons of other shoes that are sitting around. I can't really name them right now because I'm not thinking on the spot, but I definitely know of several other shoes sitting in local spots right now. And what I want to say is, if you are interested in any of those shoes, go ahead, get them for retail, because we all know with time everything goes up, and I definitely know with time right now things will sell out, because like I said, we know a season is approaching, tax season, and nothing is safe during tax season. So I just wanted to shine light on what's going on right now. Mainly what shocked me was, like I said, this shoe right here, man. Bang, 129, man. Can y'all believe that? Like, man, I mentioned in my my top 22 of 22 video that this shoe flopped. You know what I'm saying? And my definition, what I mean by flopped, I'm not saying that it was a bad shoe, nobody got it. I mean as far as right now, for example, you're being able to get this shoe on sale for $129 if they're available. Of course, these sat overseas, didn't have that much attention on them. Nothing really sits in the US because the resale market is a different beast over in the US. Different beast. But if it wasn't for resale, man, like I said earlier in a lot of my previous videos, a lot of these shoes would be sitting. The stores would be full of these shoes, man. So I can give the resellers credit that, you know, they helped Nike sell out on half their shoes. That's why they had to implement, or saying that they're implementing, a policy of you can't return the shoes or whatever. Like, they'll penalize your account. They'll stop you from getting W's and all that if you have a lot of returns on your account, you know, because they know what people are doing. And it's not that y'all shoes are fire and selling out like that. It's just people are trying to make money off y'all shoes. And, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, y'all, take advantage of this current time, because I think it's a wonderful time, you know, to get shoes, to see them walk in stores, see them sitting. You don't have to pay resale. And speaking of resale, real quick, resale on a lot of these shoes aren't too high. Like, resale 2-3 years ago compared to resale now, total different ball game. You can get Travis Scott collabs, you can get J Balvin collabs, you can get a lot of collab shoes for a very good price right now, man. And collabs, you know, that was the creme de la creme. Like, prices were crazy on collabs, and now we're at a point where collabs ain't going for too much, man. It's crazy to see a Alma in year 4 going for what, 350, 400, 450 maybe. Usually Alma Manier collab shoe, you pushing around 800, 700, 900 easy. So to see them shoes around those prices, it's a good thing, man. The twos, I want to say the twos are almost retail. They retail for like 250. You can get them for like 275, 300. Like, it's a beautiful time, man. So take advantage of the sneaker game right now. If you see anything you're interested in, man, go ahead, strike. I just wanted to go ahead and put that out there for y'all. But stay tuned. I will have an on feet coming soon for y'all. I need to go back and do the Air Jordan 2 on feet, so that will be coming soon as well too. But other than that, your boy Jay is checking out, man. Check out Outrain brand. Don't sleep on them. Tell them your boy Jay sent you, as well as use the promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. It'll save you some bread over there. But that is it for this one. I will see y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Gone. Peace.